Hello everyone, this is the Misadventures of Team AJ. I'm rolling solo today because my wife has to take care of family business, but today we are here at the new Canal Street Lighthouse here on the beautiful, amazing, wonderful Lake Pontchartrain. Hold on, let me show you the lake real quick. People are here having a good time. They're getting ready to party because this is a full celebration for the West End Boat Parade here on Lake Pontchartrain. You're going to see some of the most beautifully decorated Christmas boats you will find anywhere here on Lake Pontchartrain. So stay tuned, stick around. We're going to show you what an amazing time is had. So without further ado, let's go have a good time here at the West End Boat Parade in New Orleans, Louisiana. I got good food out here, the Pontchartrain King food truck. Shout out to Pontchartrain King, we love you guys. I want to probably get some of that later on. Pontchartrain here, go and get a spot to watch the most amazing boat parade you will ever see for Christmas time here at the new Canal Lighthouse. People have come from far and wide just to see this parade. You can see people are parked on the other side over here. You can also see to the left people are here at the boat launches and so forth and the restaurants just to catch this parade. This is truly an extravaganza that's presented here by the West End Boat Parade. There's face painting here along with drinks and so forth. So it's an overall just a great vibe and a good time. I want that inflatable with the elf riding the reindeer, guys, because quite frankly, we have the reindeer already, but I want that whole thing. That thing's massive. It's taller than my house.
Voices New Orleans. Before we pass it off to them, gotta give a quick shout out to Mother Nature herself for providing this incredible weather tonight.
That's a weatherman sky pile, he should know.
Not too cold.
People are getting ready for the parade now. This is probably one of the floats. And like I told you, you're not going to see anything like this anywhere else. This is amazing. We're going to show you a little bit of everything here, so stay tuned. And then we're going to show you the most amazing boat parade you'll get in your life. The Pontchartrain Conservancy, who throws this event together, also maintains the lighthouse, amongst other things. Right here, there's a whole STEM tent telling you about the science and everything dedicated to our coast. This is where it's at. This is wonderful. They have all types of activities for the little ones. This is truly a family affair. Set your stand, brought to you by Bayou Boys Spice Company, and I'm thinking about to get some jambalaya. I need some jambalaya in my life. I came here to get jambalaya, as I just told y'all. Guess what? It is sold out because obviously it was a hit here, and people thought like I did. I want some jambalaya in my life. But, oh well, shout out to the Bayou Boys Spice Company for providing the food. And guess what? Maybe next year I'll actually get some. But man, I need some jambalaya now. Anybody can hook me up? Inside here, there's a Christmas shop along with, normally it's a visitor center, and they have like different interactive activities for kids and so forth. It's great. This whole lighthouse is great. Shout out to the Pontchartrain Conservancy for this. This is a great event and a great reason to have it. I got my hot chocolate. This is gonna be great. You know, we always say this, we love hot chocolate during this time of year. And quite frankly, for Jen and I, it's every time of year for hot chocolate. So good, especially with the peppermint in it, with the peppermint candy cane, you gotta love it. Now presenting to you the West End Boat Parade, the most magical boat parade on the Lake Pontchartrain. We hope you enjoy this amazing parade.
just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
Heading out of the Lighthouse, this was an amazing experience. This is truly like a festival. So, with that said, we would like to thank the Lighthouse for having this event. We would like to thank everybody involved with the West End Boat Parade for putting this on. And we would like to thank you because we love every one of you every single day. Thank you for supporting us. And recently, we just hit 50,000 followers on Facebook. So the audience is growing. It's all thanks to every single person like you. So with that said, laissez-les bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll here at the West End Boat Parade and the Canal Street Lighthouse. This was awesome, and catch us for even more Christmas adventures coming very soon to this YouTube channel.